This is the new Kraftgeek JustTap magnetic tripod, a one-tap MagSafe-compatible phone tripod that might be the fastest and easiest setup you've ever seen. Let's get into it. The entire tripod is open and ready to go in seconds. This is their JustTap technology, and it makes setting up for a shot completely effortless. Getting your phone attached is just as simple. It uses a powerful MagSafe grip that latches on instantly to support iPhones, and if you're an Android user like me, it comes with a magnetic ring to attach to your phone. I immediately ordered a 3-pack of these rings. Link in the description. I've literally tried this with all of my devices. Phone. Tablet. Magnetic-based webcam. And of course, my favorite, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This tripod is deceptively versatile. It can sit on your desk for a low angle shot, but the aluminum rod extends up to 66 inches. That's 167 centimeters for the rest of the world. America. The mounting head is also brilliantly designed. It has a dual axis holder that gives you 180 degrees of tilt and rotation. This means you can effortlessly switch between landscape for a standard video, portrait for a reel or short, or even get those creative overhead and low angle shots without any hassle. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote for remote shooting, and with additional magnetic accessories, you can mount tablets or even a DJI Pocket 3. I've taken this outside and it works great on any surface. It stays stable and the magnetic hasn't failed me once. Always ready for that unexpected video shoot or photo opportunity on the fly. If you film solo, travel light, or want a tripod that just works instantly, the Kraftgeek JustTap might be your next go-to. Plus, you can get 15% off using the link below and my code RayKnowsTech. What are your thoughts? Will you check out the new Kraftgeek JustTap magnetic tripod? Drop me a comment below. Do me a favor, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out these other videos YouTube thinks you will like, and as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.